Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting with a protein-rich, balanced option helps boost energy, control hunger, and support muscle health. Here are 7 delicious, high-protein breakfasts you can enjoy each day of the week to stay healthy and energized. Day 1, Greek Yogurt Power Bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened, high protein. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. 1/2 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 1 tablespoon almond butter or peanut butter. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional. Why it's great. Greek yogurt is naturally high in protein and probiotics, chia seeds add fiber and omega-3s, while berries provide antioxidants. This combo keeps your digestion smooth and gives you lasting energy. Day 2, Veggie Omelette with whole grain toast. Ingredients: 3 egg whites plus 1 whole egg. 1/2 cup spinach, 1/4 cup bell peppers, 1/4 cup mushrooms. 1 slice whole grain or multigrain toast. 1/2 avocado, sliced or mashed. Why it's great. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all essential amino acids. Paired with fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats from avocado, this breakfast is both filling and nutrient-packed. Day 3, Overnight Oats with Protein Boost. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats. 1 scoop whey or plant protein powder, vanilla or chocolate. 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter. 1/2 sliced banana. 1 cup almond milk or milk of choice. Why it's great. Overnight oats are easy to prep and convenient for busy mornings. With protein powder, nut butter, and oats, you get a perfect mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs for steady energy release. Day 4, Cottage Cheese and Fruit Plate. Ingredients: 1 cup cottage cheese, low-fat or full-fat, depending on preference. 1 apple or pear, sliced. A handful of walnuts or almonds. Sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. Why it's great. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you full for hours. Pairing it with fruit balances the meal with natural sweetness, while nuts add crunch and healthy fats. Day 5, Smoked Salmon and Avocado Toast. Ingredients: 1 slice rye or sourdough bread. 2 ounces smoked salmon. 1/2 avocado, mashed with lemon and black pepper. Optional, sprinkle of sesame seeds or fresh dill. Why it's great. This is a heart-healthy, protein-packed breakfast. Smoked salmon provides lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, avocado adds creaminess and good fats, while rye bread gives slow-digesting carbs. 1 scoop whey or pea. Day 7, Chickpea and Veggie Scramble. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chickpeas, lightly mashed with a fork. 1/2 cup diced onions, peppers, and tomatoes sautéed in 1 tablespoon olive oil. Sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese or nutritional yeast for a vegan option. Fresh herbs, parsley, cilantro. Why it's great. A fantastic plant-based breakfast. Chickpeas are full of protein and fiber, keeping you satisfied while supporting gut health. Pairing them with veggies and olive oil makes this dish both tasty and nourishing.